Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. Let's start over. We're going to do the unboxing of the hard candy eyeliners and we are going to do the unboxing for hard candy eyeliners and the hard candy plumping serum. So stay tuned. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. And I hope you guys have fun. Now here is a high intensity bright that I told you guys that we would unbox, and we're gonna be so excited. But today I'm gonna go for the pink. So this is the purple one and this is the pink one. Now this is a high intensity bright hard candy, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to take the cap off. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to open this one. This one is in the chrome color. This is pink. So this is what it looks like. This is chrome. I'm going to take the top off. See what that looks like. Okay, so now we are going to try this on my eyes, and I wanted to do the color pink. I will not do the purple. I will try that some other time. I'm going to put the camera close to my eyeballs so that way you guys can see and check it out. Can you guys see? The only reason I didn't put a lot of eyeshadow to the bottom is so that way I can leave some space for the pink eyeliner that I was going to choose. So we're going to go ahead and try this and see what happens. Oh my god. It's like it's flaking or something as I'm trying to put it on. What the hell? This pink eyeliner, it's a soft glide apparently, and it's a long wear eyeliner. It's definitely not soft glide because it is a little rough on my eyelids, that's for sure. I mean, if you tried coloring your butt with this, it would probably hurt. That is definitely not soft glide. I don't know who lied to you. I mean, what do I gotta do? Do I gotta put it in the oven and heat it up for a couple seconds or something to melt it? Can you guys see? Can you guys see what's going on? Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm going to try and be nice about this, but honestly, hard candy, what are you doing? My skin freaking hurts on my eyelids. I am not even playing. Corners of my eyeball lids or whatever hurt like hell. Hard candy, you usually have the greatest things ever, but I am so disappointed in these things. I don't even know why. Maybe that's why they were on sale. I don't know. Can you help me out here? Now, like, I couldn't even finish. I couldn't finish. I couldn't. Because you know what? They're trash. I'm just gonna have to go ahead and finish this video. So the last thing that we have is a plumping serum, the color in Lion Tamer 1408, and I will show you what it looks like. This is the plumping serum in Lion Tamer. I will tell you, this actually works. I like the plumping serum. It's really, really freaking awesome. I love the way it feels and everything. And I will show you what it looks like on my lips here in a second once I apply the whole thing. What do you think? So that's how I feel right about now. Sad day. So this is the conclusion of opening the hard candy eyeliners. I don't know what to say really. They're just crap. It saddens me, but yes, that is my own opinion. That's not nobody else's opinion. It's mine. Don't kill me for it, but it hurts to try and put it on. I was gonna go ahead and put my mascara, my, you know, a little bit extra to make me look beautiful, but apparently I feel like This video is over and I hope you guys enjoyed this, but my #1 product is always going to be Hard Candy Plumping Serum. So if you guys see this around, make sure you get yourself one, and don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss anything. Love you. Bye.